At it again, Epic, more drama. This time it's regarding an exclusive and people ain't too happy about this one. This time guys, it is Shenmue 3, the crowdfunding game that raised over $7 million US. So guys, after years and years and years of delay, finally they said, well, allegedly said they're gonna release it this November. Well guys, a lot of PC players assumed that the game release would be on Steam. Why would they think that way? Well, there's a Steam page up for Shenmue 3 with lot of marketing materials, tier pledges and logos. So it's only safe to say it's gonna be on Steam, right? Nope, wrong guys. So in a Kickstart update this week, EastNet announced that its game Shenmue 3 will be an Epic Game Store exclusive. Wow, because why not lie to your most passionate fans?
Bitch, what?
What? For full news on each topic, click the link down below and watch it. Journey with your boy, and thanks for watching. Sign up.